In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to send SMS from TeamGate CRM, a powerful tool for streamlining your customer relationships. You might already be using TeamGate or considering it, but are you aware of its SMS feature? It's a great way to stay in touch with your clients without juggling different tools. But is TeamGate CRM the best solution for sending SMS? Stick around until the end, because I'll also be showing you alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Let's dive in. First off, to send SMS from TeamGate CRM, you'll need to make sure that you've got the correct integration set up. TeamGate does have built-in functionality to connect with third-party SMS services like Twilio, which is one of the most popular choices out there. Without these integrations, TeamGate doesn't have its own direct SMS service, so getting Twilio linked is essential if you're looking for automated messaging and more. Now, let's walk through the process. After setting up your integration, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the contact section of TeamGate. This is where you manage your leads and clients. From here, you can click on the specific contact you want to message. You'll see a new option to send an SMS. Simple enough, right? The interface is clean, and sending a text message is as easy as typing a short note. You can personalize your message and even schedule it for later delivery, which is a huge bonus. Next thing to note is the level of automation TeamGate offers. With SMS automation, you can trigger messages based on specific actions. For example, you can set up an automated SMS reminder for a follow-up call or even a thank you message after a meeting. This kind of workflow helps save time and ensure you never miss an important interaction. It's pretty handy if you're looking to streamline your communications. However, it's worth mentioning that while TeamGate's SMS functionality is solid, there are some limitations. The system relies on external integrations, and some users report that the setup process can be a bit tedious if you're not tech-savvy. Additionally, while the automation features are nice, they might not be as advanced as those offered by some of TeamGate's competitors, especially when it comes to more complex workflows and integrations. Now, the fourth thing to consider is cost. You will need a paid plan for TeamGate to access SMS features, and when you factor in the third-party integration costs like Twilio, it can add up. For businesses that need high-volume SMS sending, this could become a pricier solution compared to others that offer more built-in functionality. And here's where it gets interesting. While TeamGate CRM is a great tool, it's not necessarily the best option if your primary goal is robust SMS communication. If you're focused on sending high volumes of SMS or need advanced features, you might want to check out some alternatives. There are platforms like ActiveCampaign and HubSpot CRM, which not only offer built-in SMS capabilities, but also come with far more customizable automation tools that might be better suited for your business needs. To wrap it up, TeamGate CRM does offer a way to send SMS, but it's best suited for businesses already using the platform who don't mind setting up third-party integrations. It's a solid choice for basic needs, but for businesses that require more powerful features or a more seamless experience, I recommend exploring alternatives. Before you go, I want to let you know that through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial for TeamGate. But I also want to remind you that I've shared some amazing alternatives that could be even better for sending SMS efficiently. Both options come with free trials, so you can explore them and find what fits your business best. Click the link in the description to get your exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.